Hosting a website builder versus Wix, the ultimate showdown. Many categories and only one champion to take the web builder crown. Let's go. If you'd like to test out either of the two web builders yourself along with the tutorial, make sure to click the link in the description for a limited time special discount. And don't overpay for web builders, especially in this economy. Let's start with arguably one of the most important aspects of web builders, ease of use. The good thing about both builders is that they're equally beginner friendly, meaning both Wix and Hostinger make it easy to add, edit, and customize elements and pages. However, the tools and controls function fundamentally differently. For example, the customization options. Now, with more editing options, Wix may feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're a beginner. Hostinger, however, is quite the opposite. It doesn't offer as many options, but it's more beginner friendly, offering easily accessible AI tools, core integrations, and SEO tools. And the best thing is that the Hostinger AI website builder is fast, and I mean really fast. It's quite impressive how it can create a fully fledged website within minutes. Now, Hostinger's AI tool selection is integrated, so you can start working with it immediately, while Wix offers way more, but you have to add them as third-party add-ons. This is where the whole Hostinger versus Wix battle gets a little tricky, especially when it comes to ease of use. In my opinion, Hostinger takes the cake on this one. While Wix is definitely perfect if you want to add in your own code and have more manual control, Hostinger is more beginner-friendly. Now, let's move on to templates. Designs are definitely a big help when it comes to website building. They provide you with a polished pre-made look and may offer you the opportunity to create the website of your dreams. Small issue though, if you're indecisive, Wix might be your blessing or your curse. You see, Wix offers over 2,000 templates. Yes, over 2,000. It's an abysmal number, but it might work if you want to have a lot of options. On the other hand, you really need to ask yourself if you truly need this many templates. If you're not satisfied with the first 1,000, maybe they aren't the best quality. Now, Hostinger has over 300 templates with very similar categories. As you can see in the side-by-side comparison, they don't look that much different. The only thing that separates the two is that Wix offers more flexible designs, and a lot of them, to be fair. Honestly, I'd give this medal to Hostinger for the sole reason that it doesn't bombard you with an abundance of options that are more or less similar. However, when it comes to AI template design, I'd say Wix takes the cake. You see, Wix has a chat style setup that asks you for a brand name, description, and main goals. The generation does take quite a bit longer, but it feels like onboarding, since it can even help you with answering these questions. Hostinger just asks for a description. There's nothing inherently wrong with that, as you can write as detailed a description as you'd like. The upside is that you get quick website generation, but the design is a bit more static. So, all in all, Wix definitely wins in AI generation, while Hostinger takes the crown with templates. Remember, it's always good to test out the templates yourself in order to get a good feel for what works for you. So don't forget to grab the Wix discount and Hostinger promo codes in the description. And hey, who knows? Maybe after you try the provider platform, you'll have some thoughts to share in the comments. To continue this Hostinger website builder versus Wix, let's get into the most fun part, features. One of the most interesting features is Hostinger's AI image generation. With Hostinger's AI website builder, you can create content, images, and even logos for your website. So don't worry, you won't have to deal with a creative block. That is, of course, if you're a beginner. You see, the Wix no-code AI website builder offers very similar things to Hostinger, but it gives you much more control. Sure, it can look a bit more basic in terms of design, but it gives you complete freedom for deeper customization, including a bunch of third-party AI-driven apps that you can get directly from the Wix app market. For example, Wix Stores allows you to create a ready-to-sell store and set up things such as payment and automatic emails. While Hostinger doesn't have its own app market, a lot of the features are already integrated. So it really depends on how much customization you want. And you should always ask yourself if you really need an extra app market. But the Wix or Hostinger battle really comes to a head where e-commerce is concerned. You see, Wix is completely e-commerce ready. Not only do you get to create ordered listings, but you also get a wider selection of payment methods. This can be especially helpful if you live somewhere outside the US or Europe. However, some features do come with an extra cost, so really look into what you may need. Meanwhile, the Hostinger website builder not only supports physical, digital, service, and appointment products, but it also charges 0% transaction fees. So it basically means that once you make an online store, it's yours to keep. And not a lot of providers can offer that. But you want people coming to your store. And that's where the marketing and SEO tools come in handy. If you're looking for more simplistic SEO and marketing tools, Hostinger has you covered. It's as easy as pressing a button, literally. All you have to do is press a button and the website builder will provide you with meta descriptions, page titles, and keywords. Wix, however, gives you an SEO wizard. It's more manual, sure, but it's so much more expansive with the ability to install more add-ons in order to boost your SEO capabilities. Now, if you're still unsure which no-code website builder to choose, let's take a look at the pricing plans to really determine which one is more suitable for your budget. Yes, Wix has a free plan. If you need something quick and simple, let's say something for university projects, and you don't mind Wix branding, this plan might just be for you. However, if you're planning a real project, Wix offers 4 plans in total, 3 of which allow 50,000 products, and the renewal prices are very similar to the rest of the industry. However, it wouldn't be a good hosting or website builder review without mentioning the affordability that this website builder offers. Sure, you could argue that you have to prepay to try it out, but in turn, it offers a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't like what it has to offer, while Wix only offers a 14-day guarantee. So, to conclude this Hostinger versus Wix 2026 battle, I'd say the real winner is the one that suits you best. Wix gives you everything but the kitchen sink, and it's amazing if you're particular about adding your own code. But if you're a beginner, I'd recommend Hostinger. It's clean, it's simple, and more affordable. Personally, my winner is Hostinger. It has all the features I might need without overwhelming me with too many choices. If you've already decided what the best website builder is for you, make sure to click the link in the description to get the best deal possible for a portion of the full price. And don't forget to subscribe and write in the comments what other videos you'd like to see. See you in the next one.